Hey friends, Microsoft has launched the cumulative update KB5037771 on your system, and if you wish to install it, you know that the way to install it is through Windows updates. And all you need to do is right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on install all in the right pane because it's a cumulative update. And then wait, it will need quite a while to install because it's a heavy update. And once it is installed, I mean it's not installed yet, but once it is installed, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Now we come to the main question. What is new in this build? So this will introduce app recommendations, which means when you click on the start button, you'll get recommended apps and a few of them which are advertisements. So when they are advertisements, they will show as promoted. I'll show you. So it will be mentioned promoted under that app, which means that this app is being advertised on your system. It hasn't started appearing on my system yet, but I'll show you what to do in that case. Right click on that app and select feedback on recommendation and give a negative feedback so you do not get that recommendation again, or right click on that app and select remove from the list and you'll get some other recommendation instead of that. So this is an option that has been given in Windows 11 PCs with the build KB5037771 or older. Other than this, Microsoft is rolling out some widgets on the lock screen. Now I'll show you what widgets are. These are called widgets and we do not have many of them on the lock screen. I haven't seen them on my lock screen at least. So they will be pushing these widgets like newer sports updates and all. And other than that, it has also fixed an issue with the Japanese 106 keyboard layout, ensuring that it appears correctly when you sign in. That was not the case earlier. Now, we must be knowing that the sniping tool had a screen recorder. Okay, so we now have the option to disable screen recording in that app using the registry editor or the group policy editor. Now, let me show you in the sniping tool. I'll open the sniping tool and the sniping tool has an option for recording, this one. And we can use it as a recorder, but we can also disable it now, which was, I guess, not an option earlier. If you want to know about other important changes, then support for ARM64.MSI using a group policy object has been added and this would be very helpful. Then duplicate print queues for universal printers. These issues have been resolved. The country and operators settings asset profiles for some mobile operators and the container networking address resolution protocol, etc. These things have been resolved. Now here's one more thing. You must have known that when you search for the task manager, when your computer is slowing down, you at times it is noticeable that this memory bar is shooting up to 100% and it means that the RAM is being overloaded. So this may have a lot of issues in the background, but one of the issues is with the host networking service or the HNS, and this has been addressed by Microsoft. Other than this, issues with protected process light protections, Bluetooth advanced audio distribution profile, and a memory leak in the distributed transaction coordinator DTC have been addressed. And we are very thankful to Microsoft for this, that they are helping us solve all of these issues. So this update is really important. And if you have installed this update, please let us know in the comment section about your review of the same. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.